Sofa surfing is an issue here for some young people here in Pembrokeshire. The Youth Service help provide support to young people to help prevent homelessness. The Youth Service also give all young people a voice and somewhere to turn to if they feel they have nowhere else.